To draw a circle, I need to use some sort of compass. If I want a circle of a specific size, I need to know either what the diameter is, and that's the distance all the way across a circle, or the radius, and that's the distance halfway across the circle. It's the radius that's really important because the radius is how I set up my compass. So in this example, I wanted a circle that was 6 inches across, a 6 inch diameter. So I had to set up my compass so that it would have a 3 inch radius. So when I'm using a compass, I want to be pretty precise. So I usually use a ruler while I'm trying to get it to the correct size. If I wanted this to be an inch with radius, it's too big. So this one I adjust by spinning this little flywheel in the middle. Other compasses adjust in different ways. It's still a little too big. So I'm going to give it another turn. And I'm going to keep testing it until I get it right to that 1 inch mark that I want. So now I can draw my circle. I just want to stick the point of my compass into my paper and spin the compass around that point. The point will be exactly in the center. And then I draw a circle around the outside. Now, one thing I can do with circles is I can use them to make other designs. So for example, I could pick any point on the circle and I pop the compass in, and I can draw an arc, pick where that arc meets, and draw another arc, and then pick where that arc meets. And you get the idea. I'm starting to create a really interesting design as I go around. So if you get a compass, it's sort of interesting to play around with and see all of the different things that you can do. If I want to make a semicircle or a half circle, then I'm also going to use a straight edge. So here, if I make a semicircle, I'm just going to pop my compass point right into my paper. It's good to have a cutting mat or a piece of cardboard or extra paper underneath to help keep it from slipping. And I'm just going to draw all the way around and stop. And there I have my semicircle. And then if I want to connect it, I just go to the 2 points on my end and use my straight edge to connect there. Now there's another type of compass some people like, and it's sort of a plastic compass. Some people call them safety compasses, and they work very similarly. So you slide this until you get the measurement that you want. So you have to look at the little pointers. And then you hold this here and you stick your own pencil into the little hole, and you go around it in a circle. Some people prefer this. I find it harder sometimes to keep it straight. It tends to slip a little. But if you're just drawing a quick reference circle, this kind of compass will do.